The man who never made a mistake never tried anything new. The great famous German scientist Albert Einstein is saying this, that the man who never made a mistake never tried anything new. See, when we are learning something, we are trying our best to learn a skill. That time it is very common, it is very natural thing that we are going to make mistakes. But what happens when we make some mistakes? We get confused, we get like frustrated. We think that no, it is not my cup of tea, I cannot do it. So this type of feelings, it is very common to come after making mistake. And nobody is out of this thing, nobody is out of this boundary. Everybody has to face the mistakes, because mistakes are the part of process. We cannot think of improvement without making mistakes. Improvement comes from the mistakes only. The people, those who are sitting at home doing nothing, there is no chance of making mistakes. Similarly, there is no chance of improvement. If you really want to improve yourself, if you really want to have a better place than where you are right now, you have to make mistakes, you have to face the problems, you have to struggle. And that is what we have to understand very carefully, especially when we are learning something new. And we people, we are thinking the opposite, the other way around. We are thinking that no, we are making lots of mistakes, we are making lots of things wrong, and people are judging us, are saying us you cannot do. And that is how our mindset becomes loose. We lose our mindset, we lose the power of ourselves. That is what I want to say you here. If you really want to be a better speaker, if you really want to be a better speaker in speaking, you have to face lots of problems. There are some phrases you have to go through that. See, when you are learning a new language, when you are trying to develop a new skill, like here we can take communication skill or language learning skill. We are learning language, that is English language. But we have a little tendency that we don't want to make mistake. Without making mistake, we all want to speak English flawlessly, fluently. But that is not going to happen. From day one, you are not going to speak fluent English, you are not going to become flawless speaker. You have to go through the mistakes, you have to go through the practice, you have to go through the struggle. And that is the fact, that is the truth. We cannot avoid this, we have to face the problems. See any person, those who are speaking today fluently, flawlessly, without facing any problem, without taking any pauses between the words, between the sentences, how is it possible? Is it possible for one day? Is it possible overnight? No, it is not going to be like that. So we look at some people, we look at some speaker, they're speaking flawlessly. That doesn't mean that they have become or they have achieved that state in one day or 2 days or 2 months. No, they have made lots of mistakes and they haven't given up. They have continued the process, and that's why today they are where they are. That is what I want to make you understand. Always, if you think that no, I'm going to make lots of mistakes, I'm going to make lots of wrong in my speaking, I am not going to grow, I'm not going to be flawless speaker. This is the one misconception. Just get this thing out of your head that you're not going to become fluent. If you start practicing from today, definitely you are going to improve tomorrow. See, if you plant a seed today, it is definitely going to become a tree tomorrow. But what is your job? Your job is to put in the time, your job is to put in the effort, your job is to put in the practice, and that is how you are going to improve. If you start from today, definitely after 1 month, after 2 months, you will be a better version of yourself. Whether it is 1%, 2%, 3% doesn't matter, but you are going to be improved. That is what I have experienced in my life, in my journey. Till now I am improving, till now I am on the process, till now I am in the improvement journey. Okay, so that is what I want to say you. Start practicing, start learning, start improving. That is what is the one way. And never ever try to get the shortcut, because shortcut doesn't work, shortcut doesn't exist in, especially in speaking, especially in the growth, especially in the improvement of your speaking. If you stop yourself once, then nobody can start it. So don't stop yourself, don't limit yourself. The quality which actually makes you stand apart from the crowd is your decision that you made. If once you have made your decision, that is going to make you separate from the crowd is everywhere. They are going to say many things, but don't listen to them. Just listen to the negative, not positive comments. I don't want you to give up. I don't want you to leave the battleground. I want you to face the problems. I want you to improve. And that is why the ultimate, the obvious thing, you have to face the problems. Life is struggle. You have to struggle it. You have to achieve it by doing the struggle only. Nobody is going to get something without struggle, without making mistakes. Make mistakes and take always one step ahead. That is what I want to say. Thank you guys for watching this video. Keep practicing, keep improving yourself, and keep making mistakes, but never give up. That is what I want to say you at the end of this video. I'll come back with more such powerful, motivating, inspiring videos. Till then, take care. Bye.